What's up guys, welcome to Barcelona and I'm here for the MWC. We're gonna see a lot of new devices, and first off, HONOR just launched their new dual flagship devices, which is the HONOR Magic5 series and also HONOR Magic VS. So let's go check it out. So since we have limited time today, let's check out the outlook design of the HONOR Magic5 Pro first. Both standard and Pro version are having a pretty fresh look this time. Kinda like the brush matte material on the back cover though. I like the Meodow Green a lot. There's two color variants this time. One more will be the black color for the Pro. As for the standard version, it will be having the Glacier Blue and black. 6.81-inch LTPO quad curve floating display with 120Hz smart refresh rate. Seems similar like last year, but they have quietly upgraded its PWM dimming to 2160Hz this year. And they got number 1 in DxO on their camera and display this time. Camera-wise, it has 50 megapixel across all three cameras for the main, ultra-wide and the telephoto lens. Seems like the telephoto lens has been downgraded from 64 megapixel, but picture-wise, it's relatively sharper on the details. And what is the main highlight this time will be the latest Millisecond Falcon capture, AI motion sensing capture and the Falcon night capture. 12 megapixel selfie with 3D depth camera on the front. Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 with 12GB of RAM and 512GB of storage. Larger 5100 mAh battery with only 66W wire fast charging and 50W HONOR wireless supercharge. But still, they got the XO Go label for it. Dual stereo speakers with DTS-X Ultra running on Magic OS 7.1 based on Android 13. So there you go guys, these are the upgrades for the latest HONOR Magic5 series and also the HONOR Magic VS. And good news guys, they will be arriving in Malaysia soon. So let me know what do you think about these phones and also which phone are you most excited for in the comments below. I'm Joshua C. I'll see you guys in the next video. Ciao!